Lantern Festival. Lanterns up high, wishes to the sky.
The origin of the Lantern Festival.
The origin of the Lantern Festival.
The Lantern Festival, also known as the Shangyuan Festival, has a history of over 2,000 years. It dates back to the Han Dynasty, when emperors held evening ceremonies on the 15th day of the first lunar month to pray for peace and prosperity. Legend has it that lighting lanterns during the Lantern Festival began as advice to Emperor Wu of Han. A wise man suggested lighting 1,000 sky lanterns to appease heavenly spirits and bring light and hope to the people.
Traditional customs of the Lantern Festival.
Lantern viewing.
The Lantern Festival's most iconic activity is attending lantern displays. Lanterns come in various shapes, from traditional round designs to creative ones themed around zodiac animals, flowers, or mythical stories. These festivals, held in parks or streets, create a dazzling, dreamlike atmosphere.
Riddle solving.
Lantern riddles, where riddles are attached to lanterns for people to solve, are a traditional highlight of the festival. This activity combines wit and entertainment, attracting participants of all ages. For example, 3 people sharing one day, what character is it? The answer is spring. Did you get it right?
Eating tangyuan.
The round shape of tangyuan symbolizes reunion and completeness in Chinese culture. As the last festival of the Lunar New Year period, eating tangyuan represents families coming together one final time to celebrate unity. Eating tangyuan is not just about savoring delicious food, but also about expressing blessings and hopes for a fulfilling life.
Releasing sky lanterns.
Releasing sky lanterns is a meaningful tradition for expressing wishes. The words on the lanterns symbolize blessings, and their ascent represents hopes and dreams. Common phrases like health and peace or dreams come true are written on the lanterns.
From communities to the nation, exploring the magic of lantern festivals.
Local community lantern festivals.
While smaller in scale, community lantern festivals offer a warm and intimate atmosphere, often organized by residents or local groups. Community festivals emphasize participation, with activities like DIY lantern making contests, family lantern displays, and riddle-solving events that strengthen community bonds.
Taiwan Lantern Festival.
The Taiwan Lantern Festival is the largest lantern festival in the country, hosted in a different city or county each year. Each festival features a grand main lantern inspired by the zodiac of the year, accompanied by light effects and music performances.
The delicious foods of the Lantern Festival.
Sticky rice dumpling. Tangyuan.
Tangyuan is the quintessential food of the Lantern Festival. Made from glutinous rice flour, these round dumplings symbolize unity and family harmony. Fillings vary from sweet options like sesame, peanut, and red bean to savory ones like minced meat or vegetables.
Regional varieties of tangyuan.
Jiangnan region sweet fermented rice tangyuan. Guangdong savory tangyuan. Taiwan sesame and peanut tangyuan.
Other Lantern Festival foods.
Spring rolls. Peanut candy. 8. Treasure rice.
Unique Lantern Festival activities across Taiwan.
Pingxi Sky Lantern Festival.
The Pingxi Sky Lantern Festival is one of Taiwan's iconic lantern festival events, drawing visitors from around the globe. People write wishes and blessings on lanterns before releasing them into the sky, symbolizing hopes and dreams taking flight. The sight of thousands of glowing lanterns lighting up the night is breathtaking.
Yanshui Beehive Fireworks Festival.
The Yanshui Beehive Fireworks Festival in Tainan is famous for its thrilling intensity, recognized as one of the world's top 3 folk festivals. Participants wear protective gear and stand amid beehive-like fireworks for an exhilarating experience. The tradition stems from a belief in driving away plagues and bringing peace and prosperity.
Taitung Zha Dan.
Zha Dan is a unique folk activity during the Lantern Festival in Taiwan, primarily held in Taitung. A person portraying Han Dan Yi stands on a platform, draped in a red cloth, holding branches, and is pelted with firecrackers by the crowd. This thrilling and lively event symbolizes warding off evil, attracting wealth, and welcoming blessings.
Donggang Changgu Festival.
Changgu is a unique folk activity in Taiwan, typically held during the Lantern Festival or Ghost Festival, mainly in areas like Donggang, Pingdong, and other fishing villages. The event involves participants climbing grease-covered poles to grab items from a goose shelf at the top, symbolizing bravery and unity.
International festivals similar to the Lantern Festival.
Japan Lantern Floating Festival.
Japan's Lantern Floating Festival is a lantern-themed event, especially during Obon in the summer. People release lit paper lanterns into rivers or lakes, symbolizing a guide for ancestor spirits and prayers for peace and happiness. The serene beauty of floating lanterns is similar to the dazzling lights of the Lantern Festival, both rich in poetic and cultural significance.
South Korea Lotus Lantern Festival.
South Korea's Lotus Lantern Festival, originally a celebration of Buddha's birthday, has become a large cultural festival. During this event, people create lotus-shaped lanterns and participate in parades, expressing hopes for peace and happiness. Like the Lantern Festival, it uses lanterns as a medium to convey blessings.
Thailand Loy Krathong Festival.
In November, Thailand celebrates Loy Krathong, where people float beautifully crafted krathongs on rivers to pray for good fortune, thank the water goddess, and release worries. The romantic ambience of Loy Krathong echoes the Lantern Festival, blending light and water to create captivating scenes.
Western countries Candlelight festivals and light shows.
While Western countries don't have an exact counterpart to the Lantern Festival, many host candlelight festivals or light shows. For example, France's Festival of Lights and Lion showcases artistic and creative light installations, drawing visitors from around the world. Though lacking the cultural roots of the Lantern Festival, they share a similar use of light to create stunning atmospheres.
Lantern Festival Common Words.
Lantern Festival Common Words.
Blessings. Blessings. Dragon dance. Dragon dance. 8 treasure rice. 8 treasure rice. Fireworks. Fireworks. Glutinous rice. Glutinous rice. Good fortune. Good fortune. Lantern. Lantern. Lantern display. Lantern display. Lantern festival. Lantern festival. Lighting ceremony. Lighting ceremony. Lion dance. Lion dance. Lunar calendar. Lunar calendar. Riddle. Riddle. Sky lantern. Sky lantern. Tangyuan. Tangyuan. Unity. Unity.
Mythical stories of the Lantern Festival.
The fire god protecting the village.
Legend has it that the fire god was moved by the kindness of a villager and decided to descend on Earth to protect people on the 15th day of the first lunar month. However, the fire god's light was too bright, potentially angering other deities. To avoid suspicion, villagers lit lanterns to mimic the fire god's glow, ensuring peace for the village.
The fairy and the lantern love story.
A celestial fairy fell in love with a mortal scholar, but their love was forbidden by the heavens. To meet her lover, the fairy transformed into a lantern and appeared in the streets during the Lantern Festival. The scholar would solve riddles to find her, giving rise to the riddle-solving tradition of the festival.
The story of the divine bird.
Long ago, a divine bird of the gods was accidentally killed by villagers. The furious god planned to burn the village on the 15th day of the first lunar month. A kind fairy warned the villagers to hang red lanterns, light candles, and set off firecrackers on the 14th to 16th, making the village appear already destroyed. The god saw the flames, believed the punishment was done, and withdrew the fire. Happy Lantern Festival! Integrate English learning into your life.